on him.
Keep his seating improving for next year.
He needs to stay there with all the boys. He can't let anyone pass him. So I think we got the notorious, the infamous Fish down on the beach. Fish, what's going on?
Mate, I've just got Shane Dorian down here at the moment, and you know, we all know that he's a big wave warrior, a ball hunter, but now he's a professional commentator. We just want to know how he's going with his new job.
Oh yeah, just kind of, you know, sort of comes with the territory. I've been down here surfing the Triple Crown.
Gammon, bro, you got the cover. Are you kidding? Commentator, we're not doing an interview about that. Yeah, are you serious? How do you feel right now, bruv?
Thanks, Fish.
No worries. Congratulations. Don't thank me. Thank Surfer. Are you kidding?
Psyched.
Yeah.
Yeah, psyched.
That's how you do it.
I had a subscription to Surfer magazine when I was like 6 years old. In my name, I was like that freaked out about it. So this is kind of, you know, it means a lot to me for sure.
So kids out there, if you want to get a cover like that, you got to step up the plate. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. Just talk us through that wave.
Just kind of a big frothy monster over on Maui in early October. We had a really good early season swell, and the waves were epic, and I went over there to surf with some of the boys and ended up getting a good one. First of all, it's a super special swell. It was kind of a really early swell for Hawaii. Ended up going over to Maui and surfing with the boys over there, and got super lucky and linked up with a nice bomb that ended up being hollow, and kind of got swatted at the very end of the wave, but it was a super memorable one. I had some of the best waves of my whole life on that swell. I had the very best wave of my whole life on the swell, and got to share it with some really close friends and see some incredible performances, and every now and then there's these incredible sessions, and I think that session was one of those ones.